the kid from the year 2099. Today, I went on a vacation in my own head. Yep, you heard that right. In 2099, we have this crazy technology that lets us relive memories, not just our own, but others too. You can choose any vacation you want. A beach in 2025, or a jungle adventure from 2050, or even a dinosaur era safari. So I decided to visit a classic summer vacation. Sunshine, waves, ice cream, all simulated perfectly in my brain. At first, it was amazing. I can smell the salty air, hear the seagulls, and feel the warm sand without leaving my room. I even tried to build a sand castle. It wasn't actually there, but my brain made it feel real. Kind of like magic, but after a while, I started to notice the air wasn't real. The wind didn't really touch my face, and the ice cream, well, it was just a trick in my mind. Plus, no matter how hard I tried, I could hear my friends laughing or smell the barbecue from the beach. So I turned off the simulation and went outside. I took a deep breath of fresh air. I felt the sun on my skin and the grass under my feet. I watched the clouds move and listened to real birds singing. And then I remembered, no matter how cool technology gets, some experiences can't be replaced. Like running through sprinklers, feeling the warmth of campfires, or eating ice cream that melts on your fingers. And sometimes the little surprises make the best memories. Like a sudden rain shower that soaks you and makes you laugh. I also realized that vacations aren't just about places. They're about moments with family and friends. The stories you share, the laughs you can't repeat. So here's my lesson for you today. Some experiences need to be lived, not just simulated. So put down your tech for a while. Go out, explore. Feel the world around you. And if you can't go on vacation right now, that's okay. You can still make little moments real every day. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your favorite real vacation memory? Tell me about it in the comments. See you in the next video, straight from 2099. With love, Daria, future kid.